everyone, my name is Janna Marvyn and I provide neuro and pediatric physiotherapy services at Pillars of Wellness. I've been getting a lot of questions lately as to what a virtual or telehealth session would look like for physiotherapy, especially for infants and toddlers, so I wanted to take a minute to show you. So as you can see, I have taken a selection of my most commonly used toys and equipment from the clinic, and I've set it up within my own home. This allows me to deliver most forms of treatment and most aspects of assessment virtually. When hands-on facilitation is required, I have various models that I can use to help showcase exactly where I'm placing my hands, how much support I'm providing to your little one, and of course, in what direction. Most parents so far have enjoyed the virtual sessions because it's allowed me to give instructions, exercises, and activities using the furniture and the toys that you already have. If you are interested in doing a virtual session, some of the things I would recommend having on hand would be towels of varying thicknesses that can be rolled, any sort of broom handle, golf club, stick, dowel that can be used especially if your little one is working on standing or independent stepping. Couch cushions that can be detached are an excellent resource, or any sort of firm cushion that you might have at home. And of course, step stools, footstools, laundry baskets, or bins that can be placed upside down to support your little one. If you have any questions or if you are looking to book a virtual session, please don't hesitate to contact Pillars of Wellness.